Facing movements are executed from the position of attention, normally to turn a cadet or flight a specific direction. On the execution command, face, cadets will turn in the direction of which the preparatory command was called. In this video, we will be showing you how to execute a few facing movements, such as left face, right face, and about face. Left face. On the preparatory left and execution face, cadets will pivot on their left heel and push on the ball of their right foot to turn 90 degrees to the left. After making a complete 90-degree turn, cadets will return to the position of attention. Right face. On the preparatory right and the execution face, cadets will this time pivot on their right heel and push on the ball of their left foot to turn 90 degrees to the right. After making a complete 90-degree turn, cadets will return to the position of attention. About face. On the preparatory about and the execution face, cadets will bring their right toe about half a shoe length behind and slightly to the left of their left heel. The weight should be evenly distributed between the heel of their left foot and the ball of their right. From there, cadets will pivot 180 degrees over their right shoulder and bring their heels together to resume the position of attention. Some important things to know is that when executing any facing movements, cadets' arms are always pinned to their sides and never leave. Cadets are also always expected to maintain military bearing whenever executing commands of any sort. Lastly, practice is key. Cadets never get facing movements on the first try, so it's very important to practice on your own time. This concludes this video's drill tutorial on how to do facing movements such as left face, right face, and about face.